Hi everyone, I will show you how to share YouTube link on Instagram story. First of all, open the YouTube app, then copy the link, go back and open the Instagram, swipe right and take a picture, then tap the sticker icon on the top, then tap the link icon and paste the link and tap done. Now the YouTube link will be shared on your story. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.